In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Framer templates. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-edit site up and running in just a few clicks, with no separate installers or plugins required. First, open your browser and head over to Framer. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure you're in the workspace where you want the project to live. If you're part of a team, glance at the workspace switcher so the project ends up in the right place. Framer works in the cloud, so everything you do will auto-save as you go. Next, click New Project. You'll typically find this button right on the dashboard. Clicking it opens Framer's template gallery, which is designed to get you building fast. You can start from a blank canvas too, but since we're focusing on templates, we'll use the gallery. If you don't see the gallery right away, wait a second for it to load. It can take a moment depending on your connection. Now pick the template you want, browse categories, skim the thumbnails, and open previews to get a feel for layout, sections, and interactions. Look for indicators like responsive behavior, built-in pages, and any special features highlighted in the preview. If a template mentions specific fonts or components, those will come along with it, so you won't have to hunt them down. Some templates may be part of a particular plan. If you run into one that's not available on your account, simply choose an alternative with similar styling. When you've found the right fit, confirm your choice to create the project from that template. Here's the best part. Framer automatically pulls the template straight into your canvas. There's nothing to install manually. The editor opens with the full layout, pages, styles, and assets already in place. You can click through the Layers panel to understand how sections are structured, then start swapping text, images, and links with your own content. If the template uses global styles, update colors and typography in one place to quickly rebrand the entire site. Components are reusable, so edit one instance and watch the changes propagate where it's used. Take a moment to preview the site to confirm spacing, animations, and responsiveness look right on desktop and mobile. If you're collaborating, teammates can jump in and edit with you since it's all cloud-based. That's all there is to it. Go to Framer, create a new project, choose a template, and it opens instantly on your canvas, ready to customize. Happy building, and enjoy your new Framer site.